some really good cookies. They're made with sunflower seed butter and chocolate and bananas and gluten-free oats. So these are healthy, but they're super delicious. There's no refined flour, no refined sugar, nothing. It's just simply gluten-free rolled oats, sunflower seed butter that I made myself, a little bit of organic maple syrup and some vanilla extract, some cinnamon, cocoa powder, a little bit of espresso powder, a tiny bit of sea salt, some baking powder, some organic coconut oil, and bananas. That's it. And then I'm going to put some vegan and gluten-free dark chocolate chips in at the end, and they're going to be delicious. So first, all I'm going to do is I made my sun butter in here. So I don't even have to wash it. I just took the sun butter out. I'm going to put my bananas in here. And then I'm just going to give them a quick blitz. That way I don't have to do anything. Just transferring the batter from the food processor to a glass bowl, storage bowl that I can leave it in. And I'm going to leave it overnight, and I'm going to bake these tomorrow morning. But look at this batter. Look at it. Doesn't that look good? It's yummy, and it's vegan. So you could actually eat this. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to eat it. But no, you could though, because it's vegan. So it's Sunday. I had my batter in the fridge. I took it out. It's firmed up a lot, as you can see. So I'm just dropping the batter onto the parchment lined baking sheet in little cookies. You can make them bigger if you want. I just like them little. My oven is preheating to 350, and that's it. I'm just gonna cook them for I'm gonna check them at 12 minutes. So I'm gonna cook them both at the same time. So I'm gonna put one on the top rack, one on the bottom. And then at 6 minutes, I'm gonna switch them. Here they are. Oh my God, they look so good. They smell so good. It smells like banana bread. Chocolate banana bread. Because they're double chocolate banana bread cookies. Here they are, my cookies. Give them a try. Double chocolate banana bread cookies for yogis.